Okay, it's a beautiful day today. We are looking at a very interesting topic, which is, of course, I won't say the name of the topic, but first of all, let me show you the things that have come with. Maybe you may have an idea. Look at these things that I have here. These are the things that we are going to use in this topic, which we are about to start today. If you don't have these things, then you are going to find it difficult to understand this topic. Remember, you can find this instrument in your mathematical set. So if you don't have a mathematical set, you need to run and get one for yourself. Now, these instruments, we start naming them one by one. We have this one. This is my ruler, 30 centimeter rule that you are going to find in your mathematical set, which is, of course, not 30 centimeter, but less than 30 centimeter. But find yourself a 30 centimeter rule, it will be useful. Then we have what we call a compass. This is a compass that you are going to find in your mathematical set. You need to have a compass in order for you to understand today's topic. And we have a protractor. This is the protractor that will help us to measure the angles. This compass helps us to shape the angles and to shape where the angles and draw the straight lines. But this one helps us to find the exact angles. Okay, so now we are going to learn on how to use all of these today. Let's begin today's lesson, which is, of course, geometric constructions. Geometric constructions. Geometric construction is today's lesson. Now we are going to construct angles. Okay, construction of angles is what we are going to focus on. Now, what kind of angles are we going to construct in this lesson? We are going to construct 60 degrees angle and 90 degrees angles. Okay, using ruler and compass, meaning using a ruler and compass. Let's begin with the first part. How do I construct steps to construct 60 degrees angle? I'm giving you this step so that you don't find it difficult to construct any kind of an angle when you have this good example. Okay, the next thing, it will be angles without steps. Just say construct a 150 degrees angle, but I won't give you steps. So follow these steps and you know how to do it. Number one, step one, we are simply saying draw a line AB. Okay, draw a line AB. So this line AB, you are going to draw it of any length. So use any length of your choice, 5, 6, 7 centimeters. Step 2, place the point of the compass, meaning the point of the compass. This is my compass. Now you have a sharp pin here. So you place this sharp pin, this point, on a point A. Remember, I have drawn the line AB, so you are going to place it on point A. So when you place this sharp pin on point A as a center and use any radius. So you are going to open your compass any radius. Draw an arc. You're going to make an arc to cut AB at P. Step 3. So you're going to draw an arc to cut AB at point what? P. So where you're going to cut to limit P, we shall see the demonstration. Step 3. Place the point of the compass at P, okay, as center and use the same radius AP. Draw a second arc to cut the first arc at Q. Hence, when you measure the angle that you have formulated, it is QAP and 60. Now, let's demonstrate this one now. We start demonstrating it. Here's my ruler. I get my chalk, my pencil. They are saying I should draw a line AB of any length. So I'm going to put my ruler here. Okay, my ruler there. Okay, good. Just there. Just here. So they said any length, so we are going to draw any length of your choice. So let me draw this length. Okay. That's any length. Now I want to make it very nice for you to see. So we draw any length of our choice. I will do any length of my choice. That is the length of my choice, and they are saying that we should name the line AB. So we are going to name A, B, A, B. You have done the bit. So the line is AB. You are done with that line. Okay, so we are going to get the compass. This is our compass. We are getting this compass. They are saying that we should put the point at A. This is my A. I put the point there and open any radius. So you open any radius of your choice. Okay, any radius of your choice you can open. As you can see, you can open within the line any radius of your choice. Once you choose the radius of your choice, okay, I'll choose this half radius of this. Once you find that, then make an arc. So how do you make an arc? You just strike an arc. So we're making an arc like that. Are you seeing the arc? I've made this arc. So that is the arc they are saying we should make. Once you have made that arc, to cut a B at P. So this arc should cut a B at P. So let's draw it further. It should cut a B at P. Okay, the arc has cut the line a B. Have we seen? The arc has cut the line a B here. So this point here, they are saying, name this point P. Name that point P. Okay, that's what they are saying. It cuts the point at P. So you name it here. This is my point P there. Okay, we are done with step 2. Step 3. Place the point of the compass at P as center and using the same radius as AP, draw a second arc to cut the first arc at Q. So, using the same radius, this radius we have drawn here. You see this arc we have drawn. Don't change the radius. This radius, don't change it. Just the same one here. Lift this sharp pin and put it where P is here. Okay, the same radius, make another arc now which will cut the arc that you have already drawn. So we make another arc. You see that? We have made another arc there. Okay, this is the arc we are making. We have made this arc. Let me just make it light so you can see. That's the arc I've made. Where this first arc and the second arc meet here, this is where our point Q will be. So we are going to name this point here Q. This is our point Q, which they are saying. Okay? Step 3, we are going to draw. So this point Q is there. Once you have drawn point Q, now join AQ. So we are going to join AQ. AQ is exactly where this point, the line arc are meeting there. So you're going to get your ruler now. This is done now. Get your ruler, this ruler, a 30 centimeter rule. Put it where A is here. A is here and Q is there. Then draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. A very good line. Draw a straight line which will cut exactly at this point. A straight line like that. You can see my straight line. You have drawn a straight line, which is the, of course, A and Q. This is my Q there. Have you seen? Therefore now, the angle, this angle which is here, starting from here, the whole of this angle, it is the 60 degrees. The whole of that angle is 60 degrees. That is how you construct angles. That is how you construct angles. So we have just used the ruler and what? A compass to construct a 60 degrees angle. Simple. Don't complicate things because this is straightforward. All you need is to have your compass and a 30 centimeter rule. Therefore, you are going to make your work easier and simple. Okay? So, now let us look at the next part, which is the how we can construct a 90 degrees angle. So a 90 degrees angle is constructed the same as a 60 degrees angle, but there will be something different. Let's see. Okay, so we also need the compass. We need a protractor, but we will see where this will work, and we need a ruler. So let's see what they are telling us. Step 1, draw a line AB. So we are going to draw a line AB. Okay, once we draw a line AB, so let me see where we're going to draw a line AB. So we get our ruler. Okay, we can just draw it just here, just here. Okay, we just see we can draw it here. Is it going to be okay? Here. Okay. We get our ruler, we put it there. We draw a line AB. We draw a line AB. Let's see if it can fit here. AB. We draw the line AB here. Okay. So this is my line AB. I draw my line AB. That is my AB. You can name it A, B. You have drawn the line AB and you have named it. Therefore, now what is the next step? They are asking us. They are asking us to mark a point P between A and B. So we are going to mark a point P between A and B. So how do you mark a point? Of course, we need to have a compass. Okay, we need to have a compass. So we are going to open the compass at any radius of our choice of this line. Put at A there. Open the radius at any of your choice there. Okay, you just cut there the line. You cut. Okay, you are going to cut this line halfway. Let's see. We are going to cut this line just here. You see, we have cut there. So once you cut the line, then what next? Place the point of the compass at P. So where we have cut the line, this part becomes our P. So we are going to place the compass at P, okay, as center, and use any radius to draw the arc. So you are going to use any radius. You put your compass here. Use any radius to draw the arc. Okay, so we are going to draw the arc. Of course, let's draw the arc here. Okay, this is so interesting. You draw the arc there, like that. Again, this side, you do the same. You put your compass there. You draw another arc there, like that. You draw an arc there, up and down of line AB. Okay, we have drawn an arc up and down of line AB, which of course, that's what they are saying. Draw arcs to cut AB. So the arcs we are going to draw is to cut AB at Q and R. Okay, AB at Q and R. So once we draw this arc, which is here, it will cut this point at Q and R. You can see these two arcs. We are making a circle like. Okay, this is a circle like. So it is cutting the point here. Let's put this point Q there and R there. Okay, that is where this point is cutting. Therefore, step 4, place the point of the compass at Q as a center. So we are going to put this sharp thing at Q here as the center. What else? Using a radius slightly greater than QP. Using a radius slightly greater than QP. So you need to move all the way to PR there, like this, slightly greater. Then what do? You are going to draw arcs above and below. So let's draw the arcs above and below. So we draw the arc there. Okay, that is the arc, and below. So we draw another arc there, down, like that. Okay. So we have made two arcs here. We have this arc there and the other one down here. So those are the two arcs we have made. Therefore, what are they saying now? Okay, when we make the two arcs, draw arcs above the line AB, step 5, place the point of the compass at R as a center, and using the same radius that we have used to draw this arc, join the two arcs. So we are going to put again, move from there, we'll put it here, there. Again, make, because you need to have the same radius of this, okay? It should be the same of this. Don't change the radius. Just come and put it here and strike another arc this side. Okay? Strike another arc there, like that. This again, you move it down. Again, down here, you are going to strike another arc. Okay, you will discover that these two arcs will meet somewhere. They will meet these two arcs. Okay, so let me just make this one greater so that we can all see what is happening here. That is the arc there. Same applies with this one. That is the arc. It goes inside there. Then we have also this one. Let us extend it. That is another arc there. And this one we extend it. That is another arc there. Okay. So we have these two. We have these arcs that we have drawn. So therefore, what should we do next? What should we do next? The next thing now is, after you have made that arc, the step 5 says, place the point of the compass at that, and therefore is step 4 above. Draw arcs to cut the arcs in step 4. And now at S, so we are going to name this point here. This is point S, and this is point T. Once you have named it, what are they saying? Get your ruler now and draw a straight line. We are going to get your ruler, put it exactly where this is, the axe. You can see the arc is cutting exactly here. The two arcs, they are cutting there, and the other one is cutting there. There. You see that? Then you are going to put your ruler and draw a straight line, cutting exactly where these two arcs are cutting. So we are going to draw a straight line here. Let me use a different color. A straight line like that. Like that. Have you seen this line we have drawn? This is S here and this is T. Then it means that now you have done what the construction is asking you to do. You have constructed that part. Now we need to identify which one is 90 degrees. They are saying that step 6. Join ST to pass through P. The angle APS is 90 degrees. The angle APS, meaning AP, this angle here is 90 degrees. And it means that you have constructed a 90 degrees angle and you are done. That is how you can construct a 90 degrees angle. Very simple and straightforward. All you need to do is to follow instructions. When you follow the instructions, then the rest of the things will be easy. But if you don't, things will be tough. So just know how to construct a 90 degrees angle and 60 degrees angle. The rest of the angles will be easy to construct without fail. Remember, when they tell you to construct any angle, the first thing to do is to draw a line AB. Once you draw a line AB, then you can construct any angle of your choice. If they say construct a 150, they say construct a 200 angle, construct a 360 degrees angle, you can still construct it as long as you have first drawn A, B as your start point. Okay, so let's hope this has made sense to you and it is easy. Remember, practice makes perfect. So if you have watched this video, now you need to practice. Hence, there will be questions that you need to practice. I will be able to forward these questions to you to be able to answer without fail. For now, we end here and we say, looking forward to the next lesson video where we are going to use this now. We are going to use this to come up with angles. Hopefully, I've made this lesson interesting to you. And we end from here. God bless you in the next lesson video. Don't miss, subscribe and like and share, and let me read your comments on how this video has helped you. For now, we say bye-bye and see you next.